In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a route on Yardbook. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to add in your customers, okay? So you want to go to the customers panel, and I just added here 4 random customers, which are just completely made up just for this tutorial, so we can actually know how to do this. You want to go to the add button, and then you want to add in your customers. You can add them their first names, last names, phones, etc. And then you also have to find their address over here and click on save, and those will be saved in the customers over here. Now, mind you, I've just typed in something completely random over here just to show you how to do this. And then over here, you want to go into where it says jobs, okay? And inside jobs is where you actually want to add new jobs. So you want to add in all those new jobs for the new customers. So you want to go to the plus job and you want to go ahead and give it a description. I'm just going to name this first job. And then here you can basically just search for it. For example, I have named one customer tutorial. You can just click on them and then you can add them and click on save over here. And they're going to be added on as a new job down here. Now, once you have your jobs, you can then create your route. So to do this, over here on the jobs menu, it says routes. And for me, it says 1 right now. If it says nothing for you, just click on over here. And then it's going to take you inside your routes menu. And to actually do this, you'll first have to give it a name. I'm going to name this tutorial right now. There we go. And when you do that, of course, it now has a name. That's for that specific day. Make sure you are on the correct day, because if you're not, then you won't be able to see the jobs because there's none on that specific day, because you will have to create a separate route for every single day of work, of course. And then down here at the bottom, as you can see, it says add. So here's all your jobs. You have to just simply click on them like that. And then if you click and basically add all of them, then as you can see, your route will basically be drawn. If it's not, click on draw route over here. And you can also optimize it if you want to. And then this is now your route over here. You've successfully created it. And yeah, that's how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.